at this platform here called Cremi.ai. This pretty much turns your music into video. Any music that you have, it will turn it into a video. So all you have to do, once you have logged in or signed in, all you have to do is tap on the go to app option here. Once you've selected that, you'll be able to create your whole music video using your music. So over here, three lines over here, you have a lot of options which you can choose from. You have the explore option here, which is this, and pretty much we'll see other people videos or video created by other people. You can see other music videos created by other people. And if I tap on this, for example, here, you can also see the prompt down here. And this is pretty much the music video. I'm gonna see if we can play it, but my browser is giving a bit of problem, so I won't be able to play it for you guys. But it's very simple. So you'll be able to see the videos and everything. Down here, you'll be able to copy the prompt of the video that has been created. As you can see here, this is pretty much all the videos look. Based on what you want, it will generate something based on your music for you, as you can see here, and so forth. So how to create your own music video. So you're going to tap on this option here. Once you tap on this option, you'll be able to start a new project. You can tap on this option here, or you can tap on create new. So I'm just going to tap on the create new option here, and it will give you a option. It's either you want to upload your music, or if you have already uploaded music on your website, it will show down here. So either way that works for you, that's all you have to do. So once you have done that, you say, for example, this one down here, I'm going to select this option here. Once you have done that, you'll be able to give it a prompt as it relates to your music that you want, as it relates to your music. So I don't know what you may have in mind for your music video. So based on your music, you may have some ideas as it relates to what you want or the type of video you want for your music. Over here at the top here, you'll be able to select specific parts within the music. As you can see here, it only lasts for 30 seconds. So do make sure to select the best part of your music that you want to use, as you can see there at the top. So once you have done that, you can also enter a prompt. You don't have to enter the prompt, guys, but it's optional. You don't have to enter it. But if you do, you can go ahead and enter a prompt. You have the aspect ratio section here. As you can see here, you can put it in a TikTok style or a YouTube style, whichever one you choose. Also, you can select the video quality, whether you want it to be 3D, anime, or you want it to be real life, realistic. Whichever one you choose. And as well, you can create your own characters as it relates to your music videos. So you can go ahead and use your character generator right away to generate your characters if you don't have anything in mind. You don't have to do the characters or use a character at all. So as you can see, it's optional. Down here you have the model for generating your video. As you can see here, this is pretty much all the models that I've been having access to generate my videos. So with each model, you do get different perks as it relates to minutes. As you can see here, clean version 1.6. This is just standard version. Here you do get a 180p option here. You do get a 180p option here, as you can see. And you can see a lot of them down here. You get a VO 3.1 fast version as well, as you can see here, 50 seconds. And all of these AI models cost very different, and some of them you may need a subscription to get. So accidentally tap on the subscription page, but this is pretty much their subscription page. As you can see here, they offer a monthly subscription, and you get a light plan for $15. As you can see here, they have a pro subscription as well, which they offer, and pretty much what you'll be getting. They have an ultra subscription, which they offer as well, and pretty much what we getting. And this is just a monthly subscription page. You can tap on this at the top here to see the subscription page. And yeah, that's basically it for their subscription. So once you have selected your models that you want to use, then you're good to go. But the other models that you can use are gonna pretty much need a subscription. So do keep that in mind. So once you've selected pretty much everything as it relates to generating your music and so forth, you're good to go. All you have to do is tap on the generate option to make sure you have the amount or the required credits needed to generate your video. So you can also add the scenes and as well the duration for each scenes and so forth. So once you have done that, you just tap on generate and it will start generating in no time. So that's just how simple it is to use this here. It will take a while to generate. As you can see, it's analyzing music and adding storyboards and so forth. So it's gonna take a bit of time. Not very long, but it's gonna take a little time, guys. But anyways, you have a next section here where you can also create your own music. So this section here is quite a bit different, so I'm gonna have to enlarge it a bit. So this section here, you have to create your own music. Based on what you want to create, you have to just enter it here at the top. So as you can see here, you can create your music video as well. You can just enter your prompt, you can add your music and use music as reference, whatever you want to do, guys, it's up to you. So that's really pretty much it for this section here. And once you have pretty much used the sections, I'm going to select cat, for example. I'm just going to enter something random here and it's going to generate a music based off cat. So that's basically it. So you're going to use a prompt to create your music video. You can do that option, or you can create a music video from your music by just tap on the add music option here, or you can even use an image as well. So you do have the option to select model, but this is, I don't know why it's not loading, but for that, that's pretty much it for that there. So to get free credits, or if you don't have any credits, you can tap on this option down here. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this, but I can tap on this option down here and you'll be able to go in this section here which is pretty much the reward center. You'll be able to get credits for completely free, but you'll have to complete some of these tasks. So once you do complete some of these tasks, you get credits for free. So that's really pretty much it. And if you do join their Discord as well, you get 100 credits for free. So very, very simple task in which you can get free credits as well. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And this option here is not another. So that's really pretty much it for